Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the only Apple stock. Should you buy Apple stock? That's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be looking at our brand new intrinsic calculator that we just made, and actually you guys can get it, and we're going to be breaking down this. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Let's dive into this here. So when it comes with Apple stock, what has been going on? Well, Apple recently announced pretty much their new Apple Intelligence, which is just their new AI, causing the stock to skyrocket, going from about $200 all the way up to about $237, a huge 20% rise, and then a huge 20% sell-off back down to these levels back at $200 because of just market volatility. We've seen a lot of sell-off, just a lot of volatility lately with just the general S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and more importantly, a lot of these huge AI companies like Apple, like Nvidia, have seen a good chunk of sell-off. Look at Nvidia selling off, was trading under $100 a share. So we're seeing a lot of companies like Apple, like Microsoft getting good volatility. So should you buy this? Should you use the sell-off to your advantage? So there's two approaches that I have here with Apple. One being growth. Obviously, Apple is a growth stock. So with that being said, you're going to be paying a little premium for the stock in most cases. If we actually look at the average analyst price target of near and around 249, that's going to give a nice return of about 35%, which is good. That's the average. The lowest is at 186. So the lowest of the low price target is significantly, down. So now that we understand that, I do think it's important to look at some of the fundamentals. Looking at the EPS, it's up 11%. Looking at the total revenues, only up 4.8%. So for a massive growth company, 4.8% is not much because Apple has historically beaten the S&P 500 for growth, so averaging over 10%. So with the growth rate of only 4%, in the past couple of revenues haven't been the greatest, we could be looking at some issues. The cash flow is up about 9%. So all of this stuff is very, very, very good. One of the things here that I actually want to go ahead and show you guys is looking at this calculator that I actually made, and actually you guys can get it. I'll put it down below for you guys, and I want to show you guys pretty much what it is. So for those of you that don't know who Benjamin Graham is, he is a investor. He's a value investor. So this is integrated with our new course. So if you guys sign up, it's only like $20. You guys get the full course, and you guys get this cool calculator. But let me show you how this calculator works. So all you do is you plug in the EPS and expected growth rate. So how you guys find this, it's super, super simple. I'm right on Yahoo Finance, and you guys can see the growth estimate for next year is about 11.5%. So you copy that, you put it in here, 11.5%, like such. Then you go EPS. So all you got to do is go to summary for that, scroll down, and you're looking for EPS TTM. That means trailing 12 months. Copy that, put it in, boom, boom, calculate that. So the intrinsic value of Apple stock is 177.85. So what that means, and what I would do, is go down here to 177. I know it seems like a huge amount of sell-off, and throw an alert here. This represents the absolute for sale to buy Apple stock. I understand that, yes, we could get more buying pressure out of it, but if you want to be a successful investor or a trader, this is a very, very easy thing you guys can do, and a tool that you guys can use to determine if a stock's overvalued or undervalued. And I'm not saying Apple stock is gonna sell off down to that. Yes, right now you could buy it and still get good, great growth out of it. But if you want to go heavy in on a position, it's definitely important to have a tool like that you guys can use to determine if you should buy it. So check that out. It's called the Stock Market Mastery. It's our brand new course. Check it out. And we're still adding stuff to it. You guys will have access to a group chat, to some private live streams, all that stuff. So guys, we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.